initially f of x comma y. There are two variables. One is an input or output. We can start now. So mostly linear variable, only two two variables are available in your input, like one input and one output. Input we call it as muggles. Please see the board important sum. That's why I'm again saying to listen. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes, then I can complete. So you already know linear regression means y equal to mx plus c. It's a line. We want to find the slope of the line. Then input is independent, output is dependent. Independent. This is dependent. Okay. So I'm going to predict the future. That's called linear regression. But in multiple linear regression, one or more independent, that means more input, only one dependent variable, we're going to predict the future value. That's why we named it as multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression. In your book, they are given as some example program. Apply a multiple regression of given table where weekly sales along with the sales of product X and X2 provided using matrix approach. There are two approaches. One is normally we're going to calculate the linear regression. Another one is matrix approach. Here we're going to implement the matrix approach for finding multiple regression. So we are using matrix approach. They give two independent variable and one dependent variable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 8, 2, 1, 6, 8, 12. This is given input table. This is the given table. We're going to predict using multiple regression with the approach of matrix approach. So what are the things? You already know the formula. Multiple regression, A is equal to A naught, A1, A2. So y of x comma x1 into x2 means A naught of x, A naught plus A1 of x1, A2 of x2. This is general formula for multiple regression. So we are going to apply it for this table. We are going to predict the regression. So what is the regression formula? Last class we see matrix regression. This is the formula for matrix regression. X transpose into X whole inverse into X transpose whole into Y. This is the formula for regression. Matrix regression, that was the formula we are going to apply for this table. So usually first one is X transpose. We need X transpose. What is X? From the table, what is X? Two X's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one is 4, 5, 8, 2. In last class itself, I told you to add some identical values. For matrix, if we are going to apply some identical value as an input, we are adding. That's why 3 into 3 cross matrix, y equal to 1, 6, 8, 12. This is y matrix and this is x matrix. Now we are going to apply for the formula. What is x transpose? What is this is x? Then x transpose. How you change it as x transpose? Four, 5, 8. This is x transpose into x. Same again. 1, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2. Then inverse. I'm going to apply whole as an inverse. Okay. So matrix multiplication you already know. Likewise, you are going to multiply. Okay. Then you got the answer 4. 4, 10, 19, 11, 20, 30, 50, 109, 48. Inverse. Last class I teach you what is inverse formula. Into y, x transpose and then y. What is x transpose? This is x transpose. Into y. What is y? 168y. So first I am going to apply the inverse. Then this 2 matrix 3 into 3 and 1 matrix I am going to apply multiplication. Then both we got multiplied means 27, 85, 122. So last one is again going to inverse with the multiplication. So we got the answer as minus 1.69, 3.48, minus 0.05. Then what's the slope formula? Y cap minus 1, first one is minus 1.69 plus 3.48 x1 minus 0.05 x2. This is the slope of given multiple linear regression from the given table. So I am going to explain little bit. So I am already applying matrix multiplication here. 1 into 1, 1. So 4. First initial value is 4. Then again 1 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 6, 10. So next value is 10. This is 4, this is 10. Then again 1 into 4, 4. 4, 5, 8, 7. Then 19. So you know how to multiply the matrix multiplication. So please write down this program. So multiple linear regression. So more independent variable, one or more independent variable, one dependent variable, you are going to predict the future. That's why they name it as multiple linear regression. In this problem, we are going to apply matrix approach. These are the given two independent and one dependent variable. So based on this, you are going to apply matrix approach means then x. What is x? 3 into 3 matrix. What is y? 1 matrix. Then we are going to apply the linear regression matrix formula. Then find x transpose and x whole inverse. Then again multiply with x transpose into y. Then finally got the slope minus 1.69 plus 3.48 x1. Again minus 0.05 x2. Okay, there are two x1 and x2. That's why the slope must be x1 and x2. This is the answer for multiple linear regression. This is available in your textbook also. Please read it and solve this program.